Today I'm going to show you how I take one TikTok and repurpose it to almost every other social media platform to help easily increase my brand awareness, keep me active on lots of social media platforms without spending hours every day creating content. All right, so let's get started. I use Metricool to schedule my social media content. And so I'm going to show you start to finish how I take a TikTok and repurpose it. So first I would head over to TikTok and select the video that I want to repurpose and click copy link over here on the right. Then I head over to snaptic.app and just paste the link right here and hit download. Once I do that, you have three options. To download, I usually do the third one just because I don't think it really matters. Then I head back over to Metricool and they are showing the best times for me to post based on when my followers are most active on Instagram. I can select Facebook and Twitter as well. So I will choose this time. And first, what I always do is I take the TikTok and I go to post it as an Instagram reel, which they now allow automatic posting, which is so convenient. And I'm fine with having the same caption for Instagram reels as well as LinkedIn. So now I just take that video that I downloaded, drag and drop it over here, and now it's uploaded. So here I am going to put my caption, and then below that would be all my hashtags. And then you look down here to see my presets, and auto publish is turned on. So I'm going to hit save. Now I do like to have different variations of the captions in my content. So I choose not to schedule it within the same block like this, for example. So what I would do now is click on it, the one that's going to Instagram and LinkedIn, and I'm going to duplicate that so that it brings up another one of the exact same thing. And I'm just going to change the location. So now that I have deselected Instagram and LinkedIn, I choose to select Pinterest. And this is a standard pin, not an idea pin. So I would remove the hashtags and I would have my caption, so be the description of the pin. And then here I would put a link to wherever I want to drive traffic. And now at the bottom, I'm going to add a catchy title as well as select the board that is relevant to this piece of content. And now I hit save. And now I choose to go back to my original piece of content and I'm going to duplicate it again so that I can now upload it as a YouTube short. The reason I don't do this all in one is because each platform has a little bit of a different requirement and I want them to each have their own feel and feel authentic to that platform. So that's why I don't just take, the one post that I made in here for Instagram and LinkedIn and just post it everywhere. I take the time to do it separately. So to post a YouTube short automatically with Metricool, you do have to use the hashtag shorts. So I would edit my caption to whatever I'd like, and then I choose to add the hashtag shorts in the description. When you come down here, will add a title to it, and you'll see here that I add hashtag shorts in the title or the description. It doesn't matter where you do it, but I prefer to have it in the description rather than after the title. But that's all you have to do there and hit save. Now, what I choose to do, because I maximize my effort and want to let this one piece of content stretch it as far as I can. So I then head over, because this is a standard pin. So then I head over to Pinterest and create an idea pin. And now I drag and drop this piece of content here as well, add my title, choose the board that I want it to go to, and then add my tags and then hit publish. Now I have an idea pin as well as a standard pin that's going to be posted automatically. The other thing that I choose to do that I have to do manually is I go onto my Google business profile. Here's where I will select this video that I just am repurposing from TikTok. I would add a caption here, and then I can also add a button to purchase whatever I'm talking about in the video or to learn more, right, and put my website there. Whatever link is relevant, I can do there, and now we're on Google business profile as well. So now the only place I haven't posted that I typically do is on Facebook Reels. And right now you'll see here that Facebook only has the option of just Facebook. It could be a feed video, which don't perform as well as a Facebook Reel, specifically because they're not pushed out the same way that a Reel is. So for right now, we do have to go into Facebook and post that Reel manually. But as you can see, this is the process that I use to take one piece of content and schedule it / post, because some stuff I am doing in real time and other stuff I am scheduling. But this is how I streamline my process for myself as well as my clients to get the maximum amount of content out there without spending hours every single day, because it's pretty much a habit, a routine once you get into it. Whatever you're posting, so let's say you're trying to post 3 TikToks a day, choosing 1, 2, or all 3 of those TikToks and repurposing. And once you get into the habit of doing it, the process is seamless. And it really helps stretch one piece of content. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will create more content like this. Simple, effective marketing strategies to make it easy for you to grow your business while enjoying running your business. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and I'm happy to answer them. And if there's any other tutorials or things like that that you would like to see, feel free to let me know.